Yo guys, and welcome back to this new stream here on the channel, and welcome back, and let me do some quick checkups here before going exactly into all the things that we have to discuss here, since right now this is my first stream I'm doing here from Dubai, and I want to do right now to check up on some few things here. I have to get the chat in front of me because I want to be seeing what you guys currently think, and I want to be knowing if everything is working right now. And I see this action. Let me quickly enable. I can't enable the chat right now, so let me quickly set this up here, and it should be working right now here. The chat should be popping up right here, and give me a second. I will be fixing this since I see that we are right now not able to chat, and it should be updated right now here, and you could be sending me right now some chats here. So excuse me for the poor beginning. My first stream from here on, like I said before, but right now I think everything is working. The quality is doing good here, and we are not lagging, if I say it correctly, so that's perfectly, yeah, it is doing great. So guys, let me know in the chat here what you currently think of it, because we are right now literally seeing a breakout here on the Ethereum pair. We of course saw a breakout here of the falling wedge like we discussed earlier on, and I see everyone right now saying in the chat is working, so that's absolutely great news. Good news as well here. So yeah, sorry guys for the poor beginning, very bad preparations from me, but right now we can be finally start off with discussing the charts here, because in the end of the day here, we are here to discuss the charts, and we are not here for anything else, of course. So let me know as well if the quality is good here, and if we're not lagging here, since I'm right now don't know for sure if this Wi-Fi this Wi-Fi is doing correctly. So I as well already announced on my Twitter page that I opened a minor position, guys, right now. I opened a position here on the breakout of Ethereum. I think this is going to be a very significant breakout, and this is as well looking very well and very good right now, since on this breakout we could be targeting the $3,350, and I definitely think that we could be seeing, of course, a surge from the point that we're right now trading of another 6.3% here. And everyone is saying working good, quality is good, so that is of course absolutely good to know here, and it will be right now starting to, of course, discuss all the other things here. And I have to still set up right now my stop loss, etc. I did set up, of course, a stop loss around to $3,444, and I will be taking some profit later on here, but you can see right now I of course exactly already opened my trade pretty perfectly right now, only $1,000 in profit. And I will be discussing some more things right now in a second about this current trade that I'm taking over here, since right now, of course, we broke out of this specific pattern, and right now I want to be looking at some more confirmations, and I will be discussing the reasons why I did open this trade over here. So yeah, let me right now start, of course, with discussing the important things, and that's of course the technical analysis. Yeah, we are seeing right now a very significant pattern playing out here. Yes, this is of course a beautiful pattern of a falling wedge right now playing out on the Ethereum chart. You can see here previous resistance here on the left side. This resistance of course continues over here as well, and as soon as we are breaking through this level, we are finding support every single time on this range here, and this downward sloping support line could be of course facing this resistance line, and we clearly did so meet this line here, and right now we broke out towards the upside, and we even went for an almost retest, of course, and this is providing us a pretty bullish momentum towards the market right now. And you should be expecting as well right now for the Ethereum price action at least is that we are going to see some higher price targets getting reached here, and this could be for sure a very well set up because the prices are probably going to rise from here on, since this is a clear typical bullish bias pattern, and it's clear typical pattern that breaks out towards the upside as well. If we're looking to some momentum indicators right now, well, we are even pumping at the exact time while we are talking about it. And let me enable the MACD here, let me get it in front of the screen here, and I have some exactly what it is doing, but I already addressed it earlier today. We are right now seeing even a bullish crossover on the MACD coming in, and the bullish crossover here is of course a thing that we love to see right now. But as well, if I'm going to talk about the MACD, you can see over here, these things, guys, I already discussed it before we saw a breakout, just to be clarifying it up. And right now we'll be only addressing the reasons why I did open this trade here. But I mean, it was telling me basically, because that is also already in the past, that we were going to see a trend reversal back towards the upside. So yeah, we clearly did saw this trend reversal coming in right now, and I definitely can't wait to see how this is going to play out, of course, because a trend reversal on the 4-hourly candle is always going to be very significant. And right now, since we were seeing this trend reversal signal coming in here, yeah, you can see we broke even out of this falling wedge here. And I mean, I based my trade off, of course, the momentum indicator shifting and giving me a signal right now that we were going to see a trend reversal and going to see the price continue towards the upside. That was my first reason. Okay, I could be looking for a long position. Right now, besides that, I was seeing, of course, a falling wedge breakout on Ethereum, making me feel even more excited, making me feel even more, basically excited about the price action of Ethereum, that it is most likely going to break towards the upside. So yeah, while we of course already are moving up right now, my trade is doing pretty well already, 14% in the profit. I'm using a 10x leverage for all the people that are wondering, and you could be still join my trade as well here. If you're going to sign up right now with the link in the description on Bybit, you could be signing up right now and you could be getting a $3,000 deposit bonus. So that's pretty amazing to check out right now. But let me right now as well discuss the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, because I was not only I've not been discussing it in the video, but as well I have not been addressing it on Twitter as well here, but I want to be talking as well about the Bitcoin dominance, because yes, we are right now seeing Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin once again here, and this is making me feel very, very amazing, because this is making me feel very exciting. I mean, not amazing, but you can see right now, very critical level of resistance is getting us rejected several times here on the Ethereum price action compared to Bitcoin, and literally right now on this fourth or fifth touch, like you can call it, we were seeing a 4-hourly candle close above this level, and this is meaning that Ethereum is going to take out some territory against Bitcoin once again here, since we broke critical levels of resistance. So this is very amazing to see, and this is very important to see as well, and this is as well very important to pay attention to, since this is a level that you want to be breaking through. And right now, since we are doing so, we could be for sure see a trend reverse towards the upside, and we could be seeing Ethereum compared to Bitcoin taking some territory back here. So as well, I see a donation coming in here from Jason Clark. You're saying, "You are the man, Rover. Glad I catch this live stream here. Been super busy but making great trades here." I mean, for me as well, I've been extremely busy lately. I've been working on some other stuff here as well. I'm right now in Dubai. I'm not here to enjoy holiday whatsoever. I'm just purely here for work and to do some other things here as well. I'm going to meet up with some other crypto YouTubers as well here, so it's going to be extremely exciting here. We're going to develop our skills. We're never going to stop. We're never going to stand still here. That's the thing that you can of course expect from me, and that is the reason as well why we are still bringing out daily updates. So for all the people right now watching, I see we are having 500 live viewers right now, but we're only having 118 likes here. So make sure that you're going to smash up the likes here, because if you're going to smash up the likes right now, you will be not only helping me out, but you will be helping out the whole cryptocurrency industry, since the more likes that are going to come in towards this video, the more viral cryptocurrency content will be going, and the more people will be getting exposed to crypto. So absolutely amazing here. So before I'm going back into Ethereum, because right now we are discussing the Bitcoin price action the whole time, but it will be going, we have been discussing the Ethereum price action the whole time, but it will be going back into Bitcoin in a moment here. But first, as well, look at this chart. We were seeing Ethereum forming some kind of an ascending triangle, like you can see over here. This ascending triangle, of course, broke, not down or up yet, but we are seeing that we are finding very significant support on this supportive line here, and we adjusted this as well earlier on today as well, and I as well told everyone that it is extremely likely to see prices towards the upside getting reached here, and the $3,350 as well comes together with the top side of resistance. So it makes a lot of sense for me to see Ethereum retracing back towards this level here on the top side. So yeah, looking forward towards that one already for sure, and I definitely can't wait to see where we are heading towards right now on the Ethereum pair. But let me right now discuss as well the Bitcoin price action, because I personally think that Bitcoin is holding back Ethereum ever so slightly right now here. Well, Ethereum is of course breaking out towards the upside, but Bitcoin is still trying to hold back Ethereum. If I'm going to go back into the Bitcoin price action, it looks to be still we are forming some kind of a falling wedge as well on Bitcoin, but this one still will be taking some more time before breaking out here, and we created a big wick on the previous 4-hourly candle. Well, Ethereum was of course blasting back towards the upside, so hopefully Bitcoin is going to either do nothing here or just going to move up steadily towards the upside, because if Bitcoin is going to fall incorrect, it is most likely going to drag Ethereum back towards the downside, and that is of course for sure not a thing that we would like to see here. If we're going to be honest, Bitcoin looks to be, of course, still clearly in a downtrend. I mean, Ethereum is right now still as well clearly in a downtrend, but for Bitcoin as well, it's exactly the same. We have been forming lower highs here on the price action, and we could be maybe retracing back towards the 48K before once again moving down here. But finally today, we have been starting to make a move here, since yesterday was, of course, only sideways action for Bitcoin. So let's see how this is going to play out here. Are we going to see maybe a minor pullback and still going to hover around the 47K range? That is for sure a possibility. But personally, no, I'm not really anticipating the huge amount of sideways action. And well, Bitcoin is literally falling off right now, like you can see over here. While Bitcoin is falling off here, you can literally see that Ethereum is taking still territorium out of Bitcoin, and Ethereum is still increasing further in valuation, since our trade is right now even up 14% here. So yeah, Ethereum is still pumping up towards the upside while Bitcoin is cooling off here. This is very, very significant to pay attention towards, and this is as well a very clear sign of, yeah, Ethereum finally taking back some strength here. And as well, it is giving me a signal that we want to be, of course, pay a lot of attention towards the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair. So yeah, you can see we broke out of this Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair. We could be even addressing and significant price target of this significant breakout here, since yeah, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle here on the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin pair. And if we're going to be very honest right now, and if we're going to look at the price target where Ethereum could be heading towards right now, because yes, we are right now in a trade here, we are right now trading Ethereum towards the upside, but are we as well having him take profit? Of course, that's extremely important to have. And we could be based, I will be right now, of course, already announced that the $3,350 is going to be my main take profit area. But as well, I want to be addressing and looking at the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, where we could be heading towards on this pair. So if we're going to see this pair going to reach the 0.06897, I will be for sure as well take some profits out of the market, since I think, yes, this is as well a price target that we could be reaching, and after that we could be starting to see a decreasement once again here. So as well, very important to pay attention towards that chart, of course. But let me go back here real quickly. Let me go real quickly back into the Ethereum chart here on the 4-hourly candles. And I see as well, Whoop That Trick donated to the channel here. Thank you so much for a donation. Whoop That Trick, you were saying, what's up, Rover? Good morning from America, and good morning back. No, not good afternoon back from Dubai here, my friend. And absolutely amazing for your supportive donation here. Thank you so much. And hopefully you're going to enjoy the technical analysis that we are right now giving to you guys here. So, as well, let me see, Rover, that meme coin, what do you think about meme coins? They are going crazy. And take a brief. Of course, I will take a brief real quickly, guys. I will slow down here. I will be taking some waters, of course. But what do I think about meme coins? I think some meme coins can be maybe still have a lot of potential to increase in valuation. But mainly, you want to be careful, because if we're going to look at meme coins, let's for instance, let's just take Dogecoin as example. Let me go towards Dogecoin. You can see Dogecoin is still approximately 70% from its all-time high away, if I say it correctly. So yeah, Dogecoin is still, let me see, Dogecoin is still 62% from its all-time high, and while Dogecoin is still 62% from its all-time high, it is Ethereum and Bitcoin is only 20% from its all-time high. So yeah, you want to be paying attention to what you're buying right now here, since I think, yeah, it just shows you the thing here is that altcoins, meme coins are still 70% away from their all-time high, while Bitcoin and Ethereum is only 20% away from its all-time high. It just shows me right now the dumb money is out of the market. The stupid money is out of the market. And right now, the smart money is buying in once again. And if you haven't bought already, I mean, for sure, I will be always saying, what are you waiting for? But even though I'm going to say that, I will be as well right now adjusting, announcing, of course, that we want to be getting careful on the daily candles. Because, yes, I'm a pretty big bull here. Yes, I expect the prices in the imminent short term to rise here. But if I'm going to still look at Bitcoin, my thoughts will be not shifting that quickly right now here, since if I'm just purely going to look at Bitcoin on the daily candles, I will be for sure be extremely bearish, because the daily candles for Bitcoin are not looking good at all here. And that is a thing that I have been saying several times here, and I will be never stopping to say so. Let me get a clear chart right now in front of me. Let me see if I have a clear chart over here. Yes. So, for all the people wondering, yes, I'm a huge bull on Bitcoin. Yes, I trade Bitcoin towards the upside right now. Ethereum. And yes, I expect prices to still see a new all-time high getting traded this year here. But right now, I want to be as well, be very realistic. And if I'm going to be realistic right now here, I want to be saying here, we're currently seeing diminishing returns in this current uptrend that we're seeing right now. If we're going to look to certain momentum indicators, and let me as well enable the money flow index. Of course, guys, maybe you're getting sick and tired of it. I'm saying this to you guys. But the reason, I'm not saying this for no reason, guys. I'm saying, and I'm telling you guys this, I'm putting this in your ears because I am here to educate you guys and to help you guys through this market, to crush this market absolutely for good and forever, since this, what we're right now seeing here, is a very, very bearish signal. And maybe it could be so that the whales wants us to think that we have to be bearish, or maybe it is just doomed to maybe have a minor correction before moving up. Because yes, I personally do think we are going to move up here, but it could be so that we're going to see a breakout before we're going to see this new all-time high getting created here. And usually, if you're looking back to previous bull markets, before once again crushing through the all-time high, we tend to see these minor corrections before crushing through it, because you usually want to be shaking out the weekends. And the reason why I enabled, by the way, these momentum indicators right now here is because we are seeing the money flow decreasing, we're seeing the MACD decreasing, and we're seeing the RSI decreasing while the price action is still increasing. So 3 different momentum indicators are right now telling us that we want to get careful and that we want to be looking for reversals anytime soon right now. So that's the reason why I'm addressing this right now, and that's the reason why everyone should be paying attention towards it. And you don't only want to be putting your emotions in the market. Yes, I love to see my portfolio gain. I love to see my portfolio go to moon. But for sure, guys, you have to right now pay attention. I'm not saying sell your whole portfolio. No. But I personally did took 20% profit, and I announced it on my channel while we were trading on 50K. I did took some profits over there, and everyone on that video called me crazy. And right now they call me legend. I mean, of course, I love to get called legend. Of course, I love to share all my thoughts on the market. And yes, of course, we have been absolutely crushing the market for good right now as well, once again, with our Ethereum trade, like you can see over here. So make sure that you're at least subscribed to the channel to not miss out on any of these updates here. But, I mean, yeah, I want to be as well crush the market on the bigger picture. And right now, yeah, I did took some profits here, and I will be trying to buy back cheaper here. Maybe it's not the smartest thing to do here, but it is looking right now that we could be having a severe correction before going to move up here. And if I look back to myself, and if I look back to my mistakes that I made here in the past, in 2017, in this, not necessarily in this run-up here, because, yeah, in this run-up, we were seeing the exact same market structure before reversing down here, because we were as well seeing higher highs getting created here, lower highs here on the RSI and momentum indicators. But if I look to myself back towards 2017, I've made mistakes, but right now, I learned from it, so I will be crushing the market for good right now. And yeah, I did took some profits right now, because yeah, it could be still a very severe correction. But I see 2 donations coming in here. Sorry that I'm talking about this so much here, guys, but I think just I want to be raising the awareness. You know, I want to be to see everyone succeed here in the market, and I want to be doing it all together, because that's all. That's what this channel is basically about here. I want to be doing everything together. I don't want to be doing things here and saying that the market is only going to move up, because that is not our strategy here. So let me see the donations here. So Shiny Ozo 4, you're donating to the channel. You're saying, what is a good entry point for this trade right now here? I would personally say here, let me go back towards this. I think it's already pretty risky right now to enter your trade here. If I'm going to go back towards a different chart, I mean, right now it's pretty you can of course always enter a trade here, but I think, yeah, it's not the best risk to reward setup that you're getting here. Let me go to the Bybit chart. So the Gemini chart could have still got an entry around to 3,146. But of course, yeah, probably you missed out about that one. But here on the Coinbase, here on the Bybit chart, you can see, yeah, we already broke out towards the upside. And first you see, yeah, right now we're having some sideways action, but I want to be getting very careful with entering your trade right now here. Yeah, we have been seeing some bullish divergences. That's the reason why as well enter this trade in a falling wedge. Very significant signal that the market is going to move up towards the upside, like we discussed earlier today already in our Ethereum and Bitcoin update. But right now, yeah, when do you really want to be entering your trade? I mean, for all the people that are around trading, the biggest thing that I as well learned while trading here is I don't open trades after a break. I only open trades once you're getting a low risk setup here. And earlier today, I was telling to everyone on Twitter, I will be most likely not trading the coming weekend. Right now, of course, it's not a weekend yet here, but I will be still sticking to my word. I will be probably not trading that many in the coming weeks here, since right now the market is, like I just told everyone before, looking pretty scary. And that's the reason why I'm taking it a little bit more cautious right now here. And everyone should be doing so right now, in my opinion. So, Member for Life is as well saying, thoughts on Cardano, could you take a look here? And I hate to break the game once again here, but I as well took some profits around Cardano on the $2.94 approximately. That was a pretty good take profit area, but right now Cardano starts to move up once again here after touching the Fibonacci of the previous all-time high. So this is a very significant touch point. So you can see here, all-time high getting created here on the left side, and then we retrace. We break through it first of all, then we retrace, and we exactly touched this level, and we were seeing an 11% increasement in price. So this was a beautiful, beautiful, yeah, retracing back towards the upside. I do want to be saying right now here is the question that you want to be asking yourself: do you want to be buying Cardano around to $3? That's the question. Of course, I'm not saying that Cardano is not going to increase, because my personal price target, yeah, Cardano is still going to go back towards the $8 approximately by the end of this cycle. So long-term investment for sure, it's not bad right now here, but with the back of my mind here right now that Bitcoin could be seeing a severe correction. Is it a good time to buy Cardano right now here? That's the real question that you want to be asking yourself. I will be for sure starting to accumulate more Cardano if we're going to go back towards the levels around $2. But right now, I am getting a little bit scared. I am taking a little bit more caution right now. And as well, if I'm looking to the resistance lines over here, support lines, I mean, yeah, this line can get it perfectly. So over here, yeah, I could have been thinking, okay, I want to be accumulating around the previous all-time. That's for sure a good accumulation zone. I will be definitely have been saying to everyone, yeah, you want to be buying on the previous all-time retest, but unfortunately, I was not paying attention. I was not, of course, announcing it on my Twitter or whatsoever about that one. So, yeah, it was looking very good right there. But right now, do we want to really be buying in towards it? I think, yeah, Cardano, it is a good project. You want to be getting exposed to Cardano. But the question that you always want to be asking yourself here is this the best time to accumulate? Is this the best time where I will be making the most amount of gains here? I think, yeah, Cardano already saw a very significant pump here. And usually how I approach markets here is, did it pump already so significantly in the past time here? I mean, yeah, you can literally see in a matter of approximately 13 days, we were seeing a 100% pump here. And that is just giving me a signal. Of course, it's a good opportunity. But for sure, for me, if I'm looking towards this chart, I think, yeah, it already pumped very severely. And of course, it can be still pumping from here on towards the $3.40, the next Fibonacci resistance. But this pump will only be a 30%, I mean, 23% pump here. And in terms of risk to reward, it's, in my opinion, not worth it. I think there are different projects. I mean, you can be investing right now in XRP or so, let's say that. And I think the returns are going to be higher with the risk that you're taking right now. So Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading is all about risk management. And if I should be right now approaching Cardano, and if I'm going to talk about risk management, is Cardano going to give you returns, good returns? Yes, it is going to give you good returns. But is it the lowest risk for the highest return rates right now? I don't think so. I think really right now that coins like XRP or so could be giving you right now a lower risk setup with a higher return setup. So right now, I think if you really want to be getting exposed to some more crypto, that XRP is the better asset to buy in towards right now here. Since, yeah, we broke down here of this symmetrical triangle. We not exactly reached a price tag, but we retraced towards the orange box there. What is, of course, an extreme strong level of support. Like you can see, it is acting as very strong, significant support. And it is looking like, yeah, XRP is holding on towards this level, and you could be for sure accumulating around this zone, and I definitely think that it's not a bad accumulation zone over here. It's around to $1.06 here. You can see previously we got rejected. Oh, not what I meant. But you can see over here, previously we got massively rejected by this level, we got massively supported by this level, rejected, and right here we're getting supported once again. So make sure that you're going to pay attention towards this level right now here, since this is going to be a level that is going to hold on pretty well right now on the market, in my opinion. And for sure, I think you want to be, yeah, like I told you before, that right now I'm doing analysis on XRP, but I think in terms of risk to reward, I think the Cardano, I think XRP is going to give you better returns in terms of the risk that you're taking compared to XRP right now. So as well, if we're comparing the previous cycles, XRP to 2017 and 2021 right now, you can see previously we as well saw some stall-offs before really moving up. So this is looking very healthy still if I'm going to zoom out over here, to be honest. I mean, this looks like a breakout of the symmetrical triangle. We are consolidating. We are once again having calm before the storm. I'm usually exposed to XRP for all the people out there who are wondering right now. I am hugely exposed to XRP, and I will be not missing out about the next major move that we're going to create with XRP. So yeah, make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you're not going to miss out about this move here. So as well, for all the people that willing to join my next trades here on this channel, make sure to already sign up here with Bybit here in the link description. You could be signing up right now, and you will be getting a very cool deposit bonus as well. For all the people wondering, you could be joining one of the best teams right now here. You still have another 21 hours to sign up here for this significant trading challenge, and this trading challenge will be giving you returns of 7.5 million prize pool. So we are going to join as a team. We're going to join as the Crypto Rove team. We're currently having 80 members. Let's get this team towards 100 members right now, guys. So if you're right now going to go to link in the description, you're going to see, if you're going to go into the description, you're going to see Bybit competition. You could be joining this competition right now, and you could be joining In It to Win It, aka the Crypto Rover team that is going to go for the #1 spot. And the $1 spot is going to win 20% of the prize pool. And the prize pool could be, of course, the maximum prize pool could be $7.5 million US dollars. in Tether, of course, and we could be winning it as a team. And if you're going to not even trade a lot, make sure that you're at least in the team, because if you're at least in the team, you will be still eligible to win the prize pool. Maybe not the full prize pool, but if you're in a team, you could be still getting some free bonus. So while you're already trading, you could be getting some extra bonuses, and you only have to be in this team here. So make sure to go into the link description, make sure to check it out here, and make sure to already join this team here, since we are very close with starting off this competition, and we will be trying to, of course, announce a lot of trades here on my Twitter page, like Rover CRC, my YouTube page, etc, etc. I'm going to trade more than regular use, probably, and for sure I will be trying to, especially get low risk setups, because we only want to be taking winning trades, right? So I'm looking forward towards it, and I definitely can't wait to see what we're going to do on that challenge. I think we are going to for sure go for at least the #1 spot over here. Of course, maybe #1 spot is a little bit too ambitious here, but I think always you want to be going for the maximum what you can get over there. #1 spot is maximum, and we're for sure going to try to stay over there, and we're going to make a statement here as the Crypto Rover team, as our team that is, of course, extremely profitable. Probably there are going to be a lot of suicide traders that are going to do 100x or so, so yeah, they could be getting wrecked very significantly, but I will be looking forward towards the next major move that we make here all together, and we will be doing it for sure on this channel here. So looking forward towards that one. So let me move on towards the next subject. And the next subject, before moving in towards it, guys, we are literally right now watching with 700 people, and we're only 48 likes away before reaching the 300 likes. Make sure that you're going to smash up the likes right now here. It will be truly amazing if you're going to do so. So we're already live for 35 minutes. It will be amazing if you're going to smash up the like button right now. As well, for all the people new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, since we're just reached as well, like I can see right now, the 700 subscribers. So that's the 55.7k here. So that's absolutely amazing to see here. Hopefully we are going to even crush through our towards the 56k by the end of the week here. Would be truly amazing if we get it. So make sure, if you're new to the channel, to already hit that subscribe button. You're not going to miss out on any of these updates, because this move that we're right now seeing getting created here on Ethereum, we already told that in our previous upload here about Ethereum. As well, we were discussing the Bitcoin price action and even other coins. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Believe me, it is worth it, and trust me, you can ask anyone, because we have been literally market recently for good here. So let me move back in towards the chat, and let me see what you guys really want me to talk about right now here. So well, boy, need some sleep. I'm sorry, man. I'm sleeping pretty well here, but I just was I jammed 2 times today, and I just was at the pool. I was doing some enjoying on my day, and I saw Ethereum pumping, of course, and while I was seeing that, I did a tweet real quickly, and I was asking to everyone over there, should I do a live stream right now here? And of course, you pressed that like button like crazy, like never before. So that's the reason why I did open right away after it. So Ethereum predictions. I mean, if I'm going to talk about longer term predictions here, I mean, I could be drawing something. I mean, if I'm going to look at the Ethereum daily candles, I mean, we could be very easy out here. Firstly, what I expect here is that we're going to top out in the beginning of 2022 for Ethereum and for Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market, and we could be seeing something like this, of course, playing out before really moving down here. And I'm not saying that we're going to see something like this here, of course, but you know what I mean. Probably we're going to top out around 2022, beginning of 2022 here. And what I do expect here is that we're going to top out either between the $8,000 towards the $6,000. Yeah, somewhere in this range at least here. And personally, what I do expect if we're going to go towards this region is that a lot of people are going to call for maybe a $10,000 or $15,000 Ethereum. But the point here is that you don't want to be getting too greedy. And yes, you could be, you're maybe going to say, yeah, I'm going to take profits around this region. For me, I will be for sure doing so, but make sure that you're as well going to do so, because the people that will be getting too greedy will be getting wrecked, and they were going to see their portfolio decrease once again here. So yeah, of course, you will be never able to catch the all-time high. You will be never able to catch the exact top, but there will become a time that we're going to top out, and I will be trying to, of course, find it somewhere between the $6,000 and $8,000. I will be not selling all my Ethereum, but I will be for sure sell quite a bunch of it. And before we're going to see a new all-time high getting created, before we're going to crush through this all-time high, I expect a pullback, maybe towards the $2,800, and then we could be starting to move up, because there is usually a fake out before we're going to move up here, because we want to eliminate all the long positions. We want to be shaking all the weak hands out of the market. Then we're going to call, then everyone's going to call a double top. Then the last weekends go out of the market, and then we're going to crush through the ultimate, because that is usually, if you're looking back to previous market cycles, if you're looking back to market cycles in general and market structure in crypto, and this is a very likely scenario that's going to play out over here. And for sure, I do not will be saying that we're going to see a pullback over here. We could be maybe still go towards the 3,800 and then see a pullback back towards the 3,000 and then move up. That is as well a possibility what we could be seeing, but for sure we are going to see a pullback anytime soon here. And when will it be happening, I don't know. Is this next pullback going to be the end of the bull run? No, it is not, because we're just still in the bull run. You definitely want to be part of the bull run. You don't want to be standing the top. You don't want to be selling the bull. So let me see trade updates. Not necessarily something interesting right now playing out. We're just going sideways right now for the Ethereum price section. So yeah, not a lot of updates currently playing out. Not a lot of updates right now, to be very honest. I mean, the market is just been going sideways for the past hour, so there's not a lot of interesting development currently playing out, to be very honest. You can see a doji candle over here playing out. This is generally a pretty bullish bias pattern, since we were seeing this push towards the upside. Then you're this kind of pattern getting printed. This is pretty bullish pattern, sorry, not pattern, candle, if we're going to close it like this here, or even if we're going to close it in the green, it's not even more bullish, of course. But this means that we, of course, got rid of the sellers, and we could be looking again in further evaluation. So should I enter right now? This is a little bit too risky in my opinion. Please don't spam in the chat, because if we're going to spam in the chat right now here, you're definitely not going to get discussed here. So please don't. Hey Rob, what are your thoughts on Luna? So let me go into Luna here. Let me move into some projects while the market is going sideways, of course. Let me go to crypto and let me select Luna. Of course, Luna is starting to move up once again here. While it is forming its all-time high, it starts to right now move up once again here. But I want to be saying something, and that is the loss of momentum here right now on this chart. So, I mean, we have been seeing the exact same over here, and will we still increase? But right now I want to be trying to raise some awareness. Yes, Luna is a beautiful asset. Luna is doing a very good job here. Luna is moving up very quickly as well here. But right now I will be going as well in Matic, but please don't spam anymore, because if you're not going to spam anymore, I'm going to discuss it in. So someone is as well asking about Polkastarter. I will be for sure trying to discuss that one as well here in a moment. So Luna here looks to be forming and higher some daily resistance. First of all, we are getting rejected by this orange box several times here, like you can see here, major level resistance. But as well, what we are right now seeing here is that the RSI is decreasing very significantly. If I'm going to enable the MACD and the money flow, I'm seeing as well that the MACD is forming a very drastic lower low and a downtrend right now here, and we are about to see a bearish crossover over there. It doesn't have to mean anything yet here, but if we're going to increase once again here, and of course if we're going to close the daily candle over there, we are going to create huge bearish divergence. So you could be already front market, and you could be maybe thinking, okay, this is going to become pretty crazy. Yes, for sure, still going to say it. We could be still see some new ultimates getting printed here, but we already, of course, crushed through our previous ultimate. We already saw 500% increasement in just a matter of 30 days here. Is it right now time to take some profits out of the market? Personally, I would be yes. Is it right now a smart time to buy in towards Luna? I will be right away saying no. It's not smart unless you want to be going to go to Rex City. So yeah, please make sure that you're going to pay attention towards it. If I'm going to go back towards 4 hourly candles as well, you are seeing maybe some kind of an interesting pattern currently playing out here. Not really. We are just seeing, yeah, the 4 hourly RSI as well. 4 hourly RSI is right now in the downtrend, and that is of course pretty interesting. Since we were forming still in higher high, this was resulting in a bearish divergence starting to move down after that. But right now, yeah, I mean, you're not seeing a lot of patterns right now unfolding. You're only, if I'm looking to the momentum, I'm right now only basing my opinion purely on the momentum. But if I'm looking to the momentum, right now on the 4 hourly candles, looking bad, looking bearish. On the 8 hour, looking bearish. On the 12 hour, looking extremely bearish even. And on the daily as well, looking very bearish. So, I mean, purely, if I'm looking careful right now, and this is never a bad time here. So let me move on to Matic, and after that we'll be going into Polkastarter before going back into Ethereum, of course. Let me go to Matic Network. What are we seeing? Please don't spam in the chat, otherwise you will be. So Matic Network is looking a little bit more healthy, even though it was creating as well bearish divergence here on the daily candles. Reason why we moved down, of course, and that is once again the significance of a bearish divergence playing out here. And guys, please make sure to not get mad, because I'm only going to tell you right now what the technical analysis is telling you. So please, Please, you have to know, I'm a huge bull in crypto, but sometimes I will be a little bit more bearish since the technicals are bearish. So I'm only explaining to you guys what the technicals are right now saying, and that is of course exactly the thing what my work is and what I'm doing you guys. So make sure if you want to be seeing Honest DA to subscribe to this channel right now here, since you guys already surpassed the 55.7k. It will be amazing if we can get close to our 55.8k today. So yeah, Ether, sorry, Matic Network increase in its value, but lower high getting right here on the RSI, looking pretty bearish to be very honest. But if I'm going to set up a Fibonacci here from swing high towards swing low, you can see right now that we're seeing some very bearish price action. So what I'm right now seeing here is first of all 0.5 providing amazing on the price action Matic. After that, we decrease back towards 0.382 here, but this level unfortunately not holding on as support, and right away after failing to hold on towards this level as support, we are right now retesting it, and this will be a very bearish retest probably, because we are right now retesting previous support as resistance. So yeah, if we can be if we are able to break through above it once again, this is going to be pretty bullish. If we're not able to break above it and we're going to close once again a daily candle below it, this is going to be bearish. And our next price target here on Matic is probably going to be the 0.236 here, the $1.12 here. And as well, firstly, I hate to break the game here, but I'm as well not the biggest fan right now of Matic. Yeah, it has been increasing very quickly in valuation, 135% since these 63 cents, of course. But still, I want to be telling to everyone, Ethereum 2.0 is as well going to solve the issue. So please be careful with Matic right now here. Yes, it forms its high over there, but I want to be seeing a higher high structure here in order to call Matic bullish and in order to call an uptrend on Matic here. So let me remove the drawings and let me adjust real quickly what I'm saying here, because yeah, you can see here lower high, lower high, lower high, and we're right now still forming a lower high of this high. So I have been not seeing a higher high formation than the previous high here, and as long as we're not seeing so, I will be not calling as well an uptrend right. So this is going to be a major level that we have to be breaking for in Matic. And of course, if Matic is able to break through this level, find support on the orange box, we could be starting a very beautiful uptrend from here on. But yeah, definitely first want to be seeing how this is going to play out here. And it will be not speculating for sure here. So we'll be extremely careful with Matic right now here too. So Polkastarter moved up once again here. I bought Polkastarter way earlier. It's not even on this chart here. I bought it around 13 cents or so. I've been holding Polkastarter quite a long time here. Let me see if I can get it on. I don't have the chart with all the information. I don't know exactly which chart that is. But right now, of course, it's raining as well on Binance. But let me search off the chart with the most amount of significance. And I think it's this chart. I mean, this even doesn't even have all this information. But I bought it like 14 cents or so, so I'm holding it already for quite a long time here, and it is moving up once again here. Well, it was trading on $8 US, so yeah, Polka started doing a pretty good and pretty solid job right now. And if I'm going to set up a Fibonacci from the swing high towards the swing low, you can see that we got massively rejected by the 0.226 in the Fibonacci. I mean, to be very honest, we are right now still seeing a 77% correction from here on. Yeah, 77% correction from the point of the high towards the level that we're right now trading on. So yeah, that's for sure a thing that you want to be paying attention towards. We have been still seeing a massive correction. So yeah, opportunities are still relatively high, of course. We were seeing a pullback from 80 cents increasement from 80 cents towards the $2.45 here. So that's a 210% move here. That was a very significant move towards the upside. But right now, as well, I want to be raising awareness that this is major level resistance that we have to be breaking through. And as long as we're not able to break through that level, it's going to be quite interesting where we will be heading towards. Yeah, right now, yeah, just want to be raising the awareness that you want to be a little bit careful. If I'm going to remove all the drawings, you can see we're right now running in towards critical levels of resistance. We did break through this level of resistance, and we are right now retesting it potentially as support. So that is, of course, a very beautiful thing to see. Right now as well, the top side over here is still providing us massive amounts of resistance over here. Previous support, previous resistance, and right now once again acting as so Polkastarter could be having some consolidation between this range here before really choosing a direction where it will be breaking out towards. But for sure, we'll be paying attention towards Polkastarter in the coming days here, how it's going to develop. And while we're talking about Polkastarter, Ethereum starts to move up once again here. We're only 9 minutes away before opening a new 1 hourly candle. Let's see how that will be reacting, of course, to the price action. I'm looking forward towards how that's going to be, of course. But yeah, our trade right now 14% here. Guys, you still know you can be joining me on Bybit. You could be joining me on the next trade if you're going to subscribe to this channel. And then you will be not missing out on all these trades that we are going to announce. Excuse me. Guys, let me do a quick checkup. Is everyone still there? Excuse me, my internet just went away and it came back right away after that. So that was pretty crazy. It was pretty crazy. Some technical issues. I'm sorry. The internet is good, but not that good here. So excuse me. Is everything working once again here? Everyone's still here. Yes, everyone's still here. Yeah, you dropped out for a second. Guys, thank you still so much for still being here. Excuse me for having this technical issue over here. And someone is saying as well, the US market is going to open in 8 minutes. That's completely right here. Everything is working once again. Excuse me for the all good. So that's beautiful. So yeah, US market is going to open as well here in 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes from here on. So that's going to maybe have positive or negative influence. Let me see real quickly what the pre-market right now is doing of the S&P 500 right now. Because this is going to be, of course, quite important. So yeah, it looks to be the... So yeah, pretty interesting. So pre-market is looking solid. Green. So yeah, it's going to open in 6 minutes exactly. So yeah, if the general stock market is going to move up, usually we're going to see a higher price targets getting reached here. So it's always a good to have. So as well, getting a donation from Sherfin coming in towards the market. You're saying, hey Rover, do you not think your Ethereum prediction should be higher than 3350? What about 3500? So I mean, man, my man, for sure. I mean, my prediction about the breakout here is going to be a realistic prediction. For sure, yeah, we could be seeing $3,500 getting reached here. But I'm a trader, and what traders are doing right now, and what a profitable trader is doing, is not to become too greedy. And if I'm going to say $3,500, for sure, we could be heading towards that level. And for sure, I'm going to feel good that if I missed out, I mean, because yeah, I will be taking my profits around to $3,350, and I think it's a good take profit area because this level, this range over here, is first of all going to give me already, since the point of the breakout, is already going to give me, of course, a 72% increase in my trading position. And right now I'm trading with an approximately, let me see, $9,000 or so. So yeah, it's going to be already a very good game for me. And for me, I will not be too greedy here. And if I'm going to become too greedy, I'm not going to crush the market anymore. And I've learned from all my mistakes here to become too greedy while trading. And if you're becoming too greedy while trading, sometimes it works out, sometimes it works in your favor. But 9 out of the 10 times here, it doesn't work out on your favor, because yeah, it is going to increase further on, but then you're still going to become too greedy, and then it corrects back, and you're not going to be profitable at all. So I will be sticking to my strategy. I will be listening to my TA. I will be doing exactly what my TA is telling me, and my TA right now will be telling me I will be taking profits on the $3,350, and that will be bringing me in 1.9%, 1.9 Ethereum. So I'm already glad with a 1.9 Ethereum. Definitely can't wait to see that 1.9 Ethereum back in my portfolio, to add it even more to my holding position and to stake this Ethereum, because I'm staking currently all my Ethereums on my ledger. I don't know what you guys are doing here. Let me know right now what you are doing with your portfolio. Are you staking your money you're making? Are you staking your earnings? Because I'm personally doing almost with all my coins. I'm staking it, or I'm gaining passive income with it, because that is at least my strategy what I'm currently working on. So yeah, to build an empire for myself, of course. So everyone should be having a strategy, but personally, I'm trying to accumulate while trading. I'm trying to accumulate more and more crypto. And soon, guys, next week's probably we're going to start doing this trading challenge from 1 Bitcoin to 2 Bitcoin. Probably will be only trading Bitcoin with it, and maybe it will be delayed another week here, because I will be trying to start the challenge off right away with a trade. So yeah, if you want to be joining my trading challenge, where we'll be, of course, sharing all the details, of course, on like I'm doing already, of course, on my... Make sure to follow me already here on YouTube and Twitter, and as well, make sure to already sign up your Bybit account. Do it on Bybit. But if you're right now subscribed with the bell notification ring here, I will be putting it in the title. So if you're having the bell notification enabled on my channel, you will be getting a notification of trading challenge started, because I will be putting it in the title. Always, if you have the notifications enabled here on the channel, you're going to see the title pop up in your screen, and you know when I'm going to enter trade, because I'm going to announce it as well on the video. Of course, in that video, I will be probably telling, okay, I will be announcing it on Twitter what I'm going to do, or will be announcing live stream. So yeah, if you're enabled your notification on this YouTube channel, you're definitely already not going to miss out on these important updates, guys. So yeah, we are about to open a new 1 hourly candle here in exactly 2 minutes here. Looking forward towards this one. Yeah, we have been closing this in the green here, so it's beautiful to see. Beautiful to see, of course. So we'll be as well move up my stop. Probably my stop loss will be in the green here as soon as we're surpassing the $32. So we'll be waiting for a moment right now here. Probably we'll be taking as well some profits on the way up already here, since they like to lock in profits higher we're going here. And the 3,200 and $228 is definitely going to be at least a 10% take profit and stop loss in profit for me, because this can be as well major to still hold back the price action. So yeah, we'll be announcing everything on my Twitter page here, so make sure to as well follow me on Twitter. And also, guys, I want to be quickly asking it for all the people that are wondering right now. I'm as well sharing my lifestyle and all the things I'm doing right now here as well outside of crypto, what I'm doing right now here on my Instagram page here. So make sure to as well hit that follow button here on my Instagram page if you're interested about all the things I'm doing here, my private life, etc. It is at CryptoRoverYT, and you're going to see what we are doing on this channel and what I'm doing here outside of this channel and outside of YouTube. It would be amazing if you're going to follow me as well. I give a lot of crypto updates over there. Also, maybe it's not really beside of crypto, but right now I'm uploading a lot of these sporting videos, what I was just doing. So make sure to check it out here if you're interested in my personal life. It's going to be pretty interesting. Pattern looks looks pretty good for the coming hours at least. Yeah, that's truly true. That's a very good on Instagram, of course. Nice. Yeah, I need make sure to hit the follow button on my Instagram here, so you're not going to miss out on anything. But this pattern looks indeed very significant. I mean, and as well together, if I'm just going to look at momentum indicators like the MACD, you're seeing a clear divergence over here, signifying that we're going to see a trend reversal, and that's making me feel exciting, of course, if it is able to load up real quickly on my screen. Yeah, there it is. You can see the MACD is well formed and a higher high here on the MACD. Sorry, higher low on the MACD. And then lower low in the price action, signifying as well that we're going to see a trend reversal. So I'm very glad to see this playing out like this here. So guys, we're several seconds away before opening a new 1 hourly candle here. It's going to be absolutely amazing that we're going to see 20 seconds away from it before opening this new pattern, new candle. Looking forward towards it already here. So yeah, make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. It will be truly amazing. So let me see, 9 seconds away, and we open the new 1 hour. So yeah, new 1 hourly candle, new 1 hourly chances of. Let me see. Breakout if it gets lazy over. Yeah, for sure. We'll be talking to I will be targeting 1,300. Still, will be a little bit skeptical, so we'll be still using this stop loss very tightly. We'll be trying to move up my stop loss ever slightly if we're getting on. But yes, guys, we broke out of this. We opened a new 1 hourly candle. I'm getting very excited about it. So let's see what we could be having right now for the coming hours. But guys, right now we'll be wrapping up the stream as well here. We discussed everything what we needed to discuss here, and later today I will be trying to at least maybe if I get the time here. Probably I do have the time here, and if we're seeing that will be of course the reason will be. But if we're going to see a very significant move here, and if we're even going to see further pump towards the upside, I will be doing another live stream here. So if you want to be staying up to date about it, make sure to first of all ring the bell notification on my YouTube channel, and as well follow me on Twitter and ring the bell notification over there as well, because I will be announcing to go live over here on my Twitter page if I'm going to see an interesting move or an interesting development in the market or an interesting development on my current trade here. So guys, this was already it for today's video. Make sure that you're going to check out the link in the description over here for my Instagram, for the Bybit, etc., and the competition that we're currently doing, of course. Make sure that you're going to join this team as well. And I will be seeing you guys on the next one here on this channel. So make sure that you are going to take your time, and make sure to keep your eyes here on the channel. And see you guys at least tomorrow in a new update video. And if we're going to see some interesting price increasement today, I'm going to as well upload another video later. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and peace out.